Just like me, I'm sure you've heard the same thing I've heard. Hey, your grandfather built this, or your great grandfather, either from a family member or a friend. Someone has told you about a piece of furniture, a whole house, something that their relatives have built. And now, this object that you're looking at has become a lot more than just an object. It's an extension of a person that you don't even know. There's a weight to it now, and it's become so much more. That's why I think woodworking needs us, and we need it in a weird way. There's a point in life where you realize the days are long, and the months are short, and time's flying by, and getting wins in life is freaking hard. And sometimes you need something to show you that you actually accomplished something, that you're not just standing still, not doing what you expected you to be doing by this time in your life. That's where I think woodworking comes in. It's physical wins, the things you build in front of your face, either a shelf or a whole house. It's physical, noteworthy accomplishments. It's right there for you to see. And as you get older as a man, life gets harder, nobody cares, and what do you do about it? You push through. That's where woodworking comes in. Because it's there, you can pick it up and put it down whenever you need to. You can ponder life while you're standing in a piece of wood and watch something that's in your mind come to life when everything else might be falling apart. That's why I think woodworking is so needed for any age man to start, any skill level, because the skills will come and your creations will get more intricate and better until you're a craftsman that you never thought you would be. Mortality has a way of sneaking up and smacking you right in the face, whether it's looking in the mirror and seeing it in you, or noticing on your loved ones looking a little older than you once realized. For me, mortality can be a little scary, thinking I won't be here one day, but that's where woodworking kind of steps in. The thought of building something a day and it being passed down to loved ones that I will never meet, having something of mine, kind of makes me part of their lives and carries my memory on from more than just a etching into a piece of stone. Now part of their lives, whether it's a hutch or something they use daily or something that just hangs on the wall. It really can give you a little bit of peace. At least for me it does. I know for me, a man in his 30s with basically every minute of every day spoken for, I'm out here in my workshop, sacrificing sleep to get those little wins that I need to make me feel less stuck. Gives me that little extra bit that I need. Gives me a space for me to think freely about the things that, invade my mind when I'm trying to sleep. But I hope this video resonates with somebody. I know woodworking has done a lot for me. I'd love to hear in the comments if I'm the only one here, or if you feel the same way. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe. I'll have more videos of me building stuff, not rambling, but I thought this one was important. Thank you. Have a good night.